So today I'm going to share Mama's recipe with you so you can make this for your family. Okay, here's the ingredients that you're going to need. What is Mama doing out there? Oh my God. Mama, why do you want me to take the trash out right now? I'm in the middle of shooting the show. Can it wait? Hi, Mama, you don't understand. Once we start shooting, I'm trapped back here behind this table. Uh-oh, Mama says if I don't do this right now, she's not going to make dinner tonight. All right, Mama, can you give me a few minutes? It's not easy getting out from back here, okay? Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. I don't know why I gotta do this right now. It makes absolutely no sense. And I haven't even gotten to the ingredients as yet.